today's session is going to be a fitness-based session using a skipping rope. So what we're going to do to start is a nice light warm-up. Remember, the rope is only that thin, so there's no need to jump high. So let's spin the rope. I'm going to do this for a couple of minutes just to warm up before we go into the drills. So if you can, do 2 on one foot, 2 on the other. Keep spinning the rope. Keep that going for another 20 seconds. Don't worry if you step on the rope. If that happens at any time, just start again. To pick it up, what I want you to do next is when we're spinning the rope, is pick up the knees. Let's warm up while you're up. Keep that going. Again, anytime if you need a drink, remember to drink, stay hydrated. Spin the rope. What I like to do now is pick up the knees as fast as you can. We'll go as fast as we can for the last remaining bit of the video. Keep that going. Go on, 10 seconds. And time. Get yourself a drink. So let's go into the main activity. We're going to do 5 different types of skipping. The first one is just 2 on one foot and 2 on the other. So we're going to do this for a minute's work. See how many spins you can get in a minute. Let's go. So 2 on one foot, 2 on the other. If you want, you can use both feet at the same time, whatever you find is easier. Come on, keep that going, that's 30 seconds. We're going to work for a minute and then have 30 seconds rest before moving on. Come on, 20 seconds, keep that going. Remember to breathe. 10 seconds. Good work. Keep that up. Again, if you mess up, just start again. Exercise number 2. Again, it's 2 jumps. So 1 foot forward and 1 back. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. So we're going to do this with a rope. Again, we're going to do it for a minute. So spin the rope, 1 foot forward, 1 back. Again, 2 jumps on each foot. Let's count the spins. You can write them down if you want, keep a record of it. Try and beat your time each time. That's 30 seconds, keep that going. Again, there's 2 on each foot. Come on, 15 seconds. Get a 30-second break. Last couple. And time. That's exercise number 2. Exercise number 3 is going to be high knees. So again, it's spinning the rope and bring our knees up nice and fast. So we're going to do this for a minute again, and we'll see how many jumps you can get in that minute. So, one knee up and the other. Remember to breathe. Remember to look forward. And keep going. "30 seconds, one." "15 seconds. Last 10. Again, if you stop, start again. And time. Always remember to have a drink. Exercise 4 is going to be crossovers. So again, with a crossover, you're crossing around across the body and jumping through the hoop. So again, crossing over and then opening it back up. So again, we're going to do this for a minute. Let's go. Let's see how many you can do in that minute. Again, so arms across the body and we're opening it back up. That's it. Remember to breathe. Halfway, that's 30 seconds. We're going for a minute. 20 seconds, keep it going. Again, doesn't matter if you mess up, just remember to keep spinning the rope. 10 seconds. Last couple. And time. Exercise number 5 is double jumps. So that's spinning the rope twice and jumping over it once. I like to fit my feet forward when I'm doing this, but you can bring your knees up together, totally up to you. So again, we're going to work for a minute, see how many we can do in that minute. Come on, keep it going. Five seconds. And time. Foot pat today. So you can run through that video once, twice, 3 times, totally up to you, all depends on your fitness level. But again, let's finish today with a bit of a cool down. So when I'm up and down, remember it's a stretch, so you feel it in both arms. When I'm over, one under. Keep your hips forward, little twists. Left arm across the body, pull. So we're holding this between 10 and 30 seconds. Drop them, shake them, opposite arm. Again, drop it, shake it. Just pull that arm down. Drop them, let's swap arms. Let's open our legs a little bit wider than shoulder width apart. Let's go down to our left leg, nice and straight. Only go down as far as it's comfortable. And back up, down to the opposite leg. And from there, down to the middle, only reach down as far as you can. Back up, nice and slow. Shake the legs off. Shake your arms. Well done, thank you for taking part today.